Hello everyone, welcome to my new video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I will showcase how to use arithmetic operator. So in the Python, we using arithmetic operators. So I'm creating already a file with the name of arithmetic operator. So using this, I'm creating first addition operation. So I'm creating a variable, assign a value like 12 and y equals to 3. Okay, and after that I'm just copy this variable here, performing addition here. So I'm just printing x plus y. Okay, so this is the addition operator work. After that I'm printing print x minus y, that is a subtraction. Again I'm printing x multiplication of y. Okay, and after that printing x division by y, and after that the modulus of x percentage of y. So that is the modulus operator. So I'm running this file. So here you see, so first is the addition operation performed. So result is 50 because the x value is 12 and y value is 3. So after that addition, the result is be 15. Second is the subtraction. So result will be 9. So 12 minus 3 equals to 9. After that the multiplication. So value is the 36. And after that the division, the value is 4. If you see, it's written the float value. So we also change like int. Again we run the results. So it's a flow integer value written. Now it's the value in single 4. And after that we have modulus operator perform. So if we divide 12 by 3, so it's written as 0. That's mean no reminder. If you check, so if I'm doing this 5 and value is 2 here, again we run the file. So if you see, that's reminder is 1 because 5 divided by 2 and reminder is the 1. So that is my today video. After that is video, I'm creating a tip calculator using the arithmetic operators, and in the last video we have see how to use input from the user. So hope you like my videos. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.